Morning. It's a bloody horrible day. Anyway, seeing as it's a horrible day, I thought I'd make a video. Now, one of the strategies I love is knock down rebuild. Now, knock down rebuild is a way to make money, particularly in housing, and then hold housing, which is going to be rent well, fundamentally do very well. Now, the knockdown rebuild market, you can get into that market for $600,000, $700,000, $800,000. I'm going to show you a extreme example, but sometimes I think people sort of buy old, strange houses that are prone to repairs and really inferior tenants in the hope that a large parcel of land's going to grow or something like that. My alternative to that is buy an old house, knock it down and rebuild it, and just do it in a really classy area. Why? Because people will pay more for a new home than they will for an older home. So buying the older home, really you're only buying the land content. The home is fundamentally dysfunctional. So you might sort of pick up a $380,000 house somewhere, but let's face it, the house isn't worth $1. It's the land you're buying. So you have to utilize the land. So if you're going to sit on land with a low yield, that doesn't make sense to me. You've got to activate the land. So knockdown rebuild is a pretty good way to do that. Alright, so this first house got purchased for $5 million, and the land's it's really good land, and then the home got bulldozed and a new home got built for around 1.7 million. So that's 6.7 million. Today the home would resell for around $9 million. And that's been a 2-year process. Alright, so what did the home kind of look like before it got knocked down? Well, let me show you one that sort of looked like it. So this home, the worst house in the best street, would sell for roughly about $5 million. So again, to get the highest and best use of the land, you need to do something to it. And in this case, building is the way to extract the value. So not always just sitting on a large parcel of land on the edge of the city, hoping that someone's going to come and maybe subdivide or do something tricky is the way to go. Think about finding some land where it's in a good suburb and it's either ready for use, or you can knock down and rebuild. It's a great way to make money.